Make an off again.
Off for Orla.
Can I have one? Can I have one? I hold it from you first. It's going to run out soon.
It's going to run out in a minute.
Good.
Good. Well, there's two left, I think.
Can I have one? Can I hold one?
They're very hot, Orla. Very, very hot.
Yeah, Orla might be too small for one.
Right, Aggie can hold one. Be very, very careful.
Well, B, that's what I'm saying.
That bit is
child,
the
isn't
end
it?
there. There's only two left. There, that end. This end. Yeah. And do, right. When it starts getting near down the bottom, just, you know, drop it.
Where's your tummy, Tom? Show me your tummy. Oh, I love it. Again, show me your tummy, Tom.
That's a good tummy, Tom.
Keep it away from Orla. There you go. Now, come out here. Come out. That's it. There's none left, Orla. There's none left. They're all
Ready for big
finished.
children, Orla.
You're too-
Oh, it's right
You're
your
too
name and you
small.
can see it in the sky.
When you're a big girl,
I
you
can
can
write
have
your name.
one. No, you're too
I don't
small
want to
now.
hold it anymore.
Yeah.
I don't want to hold it anymore.
Tag, do you want to hold it?
I don't
You're too small.
Orla.
When you, hey, on your next birthday, when you're bigger, then you can. Bigger.
When you're 4, you can, Orla.
Yeah, you're free now, but when you...
You are free.
Yeah, you have a torch. There you go. You wave the torch about. Shine it about.
Like an up or a down.
You've got the torch, which is better. They run out. Torch lasts forever. Oh, it's run out.
Where's Santa?
Put it here.